In today's video, we are going to show you how to move your photos from Google Photos to pCloud. Now, you don't need to download anything manually because pCloud makes this super easy using its built-in backup feature. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to go to the top left corner of your dashboard and click the My pCloud. As you can see, there should be an option here that says Backup, and I want you to click on it. Of course, you can choose any of the following, but for this video, we are obviously choosing Google Photos. Click the Start option, and what will happen is you need to choose an account. All right. As you can see, Google will allow pCloud to access this information about you. Once you allow the permission, click the Continue button, okay? And of course, you need to make sure that the checkbox here is ticked, and then click the Continue button. It's super simple, okay? Once you've done that, you may notice that my account is connected, and if you want to disconnect your account here in pCloud from your Google Photos, you can simply click the disconnect. Now, if you want to start backing it up, click the Start button. What will happen is there should be a new pop-up window, and it is asking if you want to add these 2,000 items to pCloud. As you can see, pCloud can only access and store the photos and videos that you add here. Now, once you are done selecting all the photos that you wanted to back up to pCloud, click the Done button. It's super simple, all right? And of course, the entirety of the photos will be backed up to pCloud. And as you can see, this photo has been added. This specific photo has been added to pCloud already. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to move Google Photos to pCloud. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.